Something a little bit different today. Well, slightly different. It's a remote control for a car. This belongs to one of the people at work, and they've asked me to have a look at it because it doesn't work properly. So you can lock it, you can just see it's freaking red. Can't unlock it. Can't unlock the car. So let's pull this thing apart. It's probably something simple. We'll have a look at it. So let's start with this. Okay. Bit of gunk around there, it's a little bit dirty. This all need a clean. I'll give this all a big clean up as well. Let's have a look at the button. Nothing happening there. So push lock button, CDD, push unlock button, nothing. But look how well soldered that's on there, look at it, it's all wonky. What's going on here? It looks a bit... I think I need to just... Is that moving? Hey, it's just moving, look. Let's move it around a bit. Oh. Now I pushed it back to where it should be. Can I get it to work? No. Anyway, the button's falling off the circuit board, so we'll take that off all the way and replace it with a new one. So I'm basically just going to hit this with the soldering iron here and just see if I can just... Look, it's just fell off. It's like no soldering required whatsoever. Okay. That was interesting. I wasn't expecting that. And yes, I've taken the battery out. I'm not sure if the legs have like corroded off or what, or they've just broken off the board. I was going to stick a bit of flux on here and put some fresh solder on it with the iron and just try and clean these pads up a little bit. This is a small amount of flux. I'm not sure what's happened there, whether the legs have come off with it or not. Have a close look at the switch. Yeah, I think they basically corroded off. I don't know. Anyway, let's put some fresh solder on the tip of this as well. Then we'll just slide a bit of solder onto these pads and see what happens. All the pads are intact and seemingly okay. So, there you go. And that's before I've cleaned it up. Makes me wonder if I should do the lock one as well. I'll just had a close look at the switch here, and the pads are still there. I just flipped it over and just touched some solder on it, and yeah, the pads are still there. It could just be fatigue and the solder's broken and it's just come loose. I'm tempted to actually just clean them and put them back in. I might take that one off as well and just touch this one up. Just don't trust that one either. I might just be able to literally hot air it, shove the thing back on there. I think it'll work. Let's try it, eh? Let's just give it a go. Now let's see, I want lower air than that. I don't need much of a temperature at all with this one. Should be pretty easy. Try and get it to not to blow away. You better tweezers. Need even better tweezers. Maybe some more flux. But just clean the board up first. Because there is like gunk on here. I think it's off the rubber. So, alright, put some more flux on here. We'll try this again. I think I might also do something to hold the board down. Let's try this again. I mean, I don't know if it's going to work. I'm just going to solder the thing back on again and see if it comes back to life. It might be okay, but you never know. Let's give it a try. My temperature's quite low, it's only like 250 or something. I might need to increase it. It might be too gentle.
Two hours later.
Let's get hotter. Because I'm using very low air as well. There you go, I'm seeing some movement there now. So the question is that soldered? Well, it's not falling off as well. It's going to need it when I reflow that one. Yeah, that's also moving. That's also falling off the board. So yeah. More heat. There you go, shift it into place, just so it move. Let's do this one as well. Yeah, that solder's gone anyway, it needs touching up anyway. Clean. Try this one again. Let's get this positioned first actually. Gotta be which way around? Sideways like that. Oh, get some flux. Oh, it's got flux. Right. Will it work? Won't it work? I don't know, we'll find out soon. Oh, let's drop the battery back in. Now, does it work? Yes? Yes. Yep. Cool. I don't have to replace the switches. Just like I like to do is remount them back onto the board because the solder was cracked. Excellent. That's good. I think I might just give it all clean and put it back together. Yeah, oh well. I've not even got the switches out. Got some in there somewhere, if I need them. Right, remote control's put back together. Still working. Takes a bit to push them, but that's because the rubber is actually a bit worn on it. The actual membrane itself is a bit worn. So you have to push them fairly hard, but that's working. That's fine. I can give it back. Hope you found it interesting. Other videos to watch down there. Subscribe over there if you're not already subscribed. Patreon supporting over there to help support the channel. A couple of dollars a month. Helps me out no end. The more people that do it, the more things I can buy and the more videos I can make. Catch you later.